And boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. My name is Luis Guzman. Um, just to let you guys know, happy 4th of July, happy holidays. Um, so, um, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Luis Rodriguez Sanchez, and then make sure you guys give me a really good big likes. So let's talk. So let's talk about fireworks. So yeah, make sure you guys. My birthday's in 21 days, guys. My birthday is 21 days left until my birthday. I'll be turning 24 here. So yeah, make sure you guys, and especially sunny outside, guys. So I might get to go to the fireworks or buy the fireworks. Yeah. So let me know on the comments, guys. Subscribe. I'll be posting a notification. And yeah, so the fireworks is kind of pretty really nice, guys. So make sure you guys just stay tuned for this video, because this video is going to goes viral. So yeah, look how nice it is outside. Yeah, and also I'm going to the Minnesota Vikings game over at the Twin Cities at the Minneapolis. So it will be a really fun game with the Baltimore Ravens and Minnesota Vikings. So yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and peace out, guys, and happy 4th of July, and goodbye.